This is going to help you to burn your belly fat in just a month. I guarantee you, if you use the ingredients I'm about to show you, you will see the results. Let's start by slicing the red cabbage. You can use white cabbage if you prefer. Red cabbage may help fight inflammation. Transfer it into the bowl. Put it aside. I'm using 1 carrot. Carrot can help strengthen your bones. Put carrot into the bowl. One cucumber. Cucumber can help manage sugar and weight loss. Transfer it into the bowl. 1 large green apple. Green apple promotes hair growth. Onions are antibacterial. Mix onion into the salad. Here we have our salad. Let's go for the sauce. We need 1 lemon juice. Lemon prevents kidney stones. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave your comments, and let me know what you think about the video. Thank you. Into the bowl, let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Lemon juice. 15 ml apple cider vinegar with the mother. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of mustard. Mix it well. Pour it on the salad and mix. This is a must-try recipe. Here we have our salad. Thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.